Welcome. If you want to change your lock screen wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, at first you have to go for the settings, find wallpaper, then we can pick my wallpapers, gallery, or wallpaper services. I'm going to change from my wallpapers, and as you can see here we have a lot of default wallpapers. For example, I'm going to change for this one. So click and tap to set up on the lock screen. Set on the lock screen again and take a look right now. As you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. And that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.